Welcome to the 2021 Pool Challenge here at Universal Orlando. Today I'll be going to every single hotel pool on Universal Orlando property. I will be skipping the hot tubs because I've read too many things about them not being the cleanest. I'm sure they're fine because I'm sure they keep them maintained. First up is, of course, where I'm staying, is the Endless Summer Resort Dockside. Today is going to be the longest I've gone without a face covering outdoors in the sun since the pandemic started, so let's see how that goes. So the rest of this video is going to be shot on the Hero 5. I'll explain why later. It's not good. The Endless Summer Resort Dockside has two pools. Let's go jump in the other one. And here is the other pool at the dockside. Pool hours are from 9 to 11. Now over at the Endless Summer Resort Surfside, this pool from a distance looks like a fish. And they get the little bubblers. Normally I try to avoid copyright music, but I wanted to let you listen to the fact that all three pools at the Endless Summer Resort, just like at the Hard Rock, as we'll see later, have and on this end, there is an entrance for people who need a little extra assistance. Walking into the mouth of the fish. Well, the microphone was full of water. I always forget to blow the water out. The maximum depth here is 4 feet or 1.2 meters at drain. All right, time for Cabana Bay. It says here the pool isn't open till 3 p.m., but that's obviously not the case. Maximum depth is 5 feet at the drain. No metric system here. This is one of two pools at Cabana Bay. This one features zero entry. I actually forgot how many pools have underwater speakers. It started with the Hard Rock, but we have it here also at the Cabana Bay, so we can hear the music up here. Remember kids, say no to crack. Yeah. The most shallow seems to be 3 feet 11 inches, obviously not counting the zero entry. Although over there you can see 1 foot 9 inches is because it's near zero entry. So here is, like I said, one pool, but this pool has another feature. And I just bought a tube and I forgot to bring it. But let's check out the other feature. This pool features a lazy river. Now you do have to bring or buy your own tube. I just bought a tube for the photo shoot as a reference for my 5-year anniversary merchandise, but I forgot about that when I had to come to stay at Endless Summer, so I might just cheat a little bit and put it at here. But I still did all of the hotel pools in one day. If it were up to me, I would have put this around the entire pool deck to make it longer, but you know, wasn't up to me. Ooh, almost forgot hot tub. And here's the other pool deck. As you can see, it has a water slide, which was not featured in the previous video because this is the third time I've shot a video like this, if you're unaware, because it was not operational at the time. Hot tub. This pool deck also features a splash pad and some buckets. Pretty cool. Here we go. I could go faster, but wouldn't be as good of a video because perspective. The pool also features a zero entry point. 3 feet 1 inch seems to be the most shallow. Maximum depth 4 feet 6 inches at drain. And we are now at the Aventura pool, and just like several other pools, music on the top and alright, well today it seems like the speakers are not working underwater. This pool has the numbers underwater, so it's 3 feet 6 inches or 1.1 meters. This pool does not feature zero entry, but does have plenty of stairs and ladders. No chutes. Over here is the hot tub. Also the only pool deck that has direct access to Portofino Bay. The Aventura pool deck also features a splash pad and outdoor gaming. Some that you have to pay for, such as these, and of course beanbag toss. This pool doesn't technically have a 0 point entry, but it has this really cool bridge, so you can walk across it without going all the way into the big middle of the pool. I'm talking fast because of content ID claims, because there's a DJ set up today. Deepest point of this pool seems to be 4 feet 6 inches or 1.4 meters. This pool has another feature that's kind of unique. From above, it looks like a bridge which goes right over to the actual falls, but of course, different water. 3 feet 0.9 meters is the most shallow that I can find. Over here we have a sometimes splash pad. It's not running right now, but you know, sometimes. Hot tub, and I like how it's an interesting shape, not just a boring circle like so many other pools. And also water slide. Up here you can see the bridge in the middle a lot better. Once again, for better video, I'm going to go the slower way, sitting up, because laying down looks weird. I've tried it. Woohoo! And country music is my cue to get out of here. This pool also features a 0-point entry with little, not even jets of water, but this pool also features a 0-point entry with little, not even jets of water, but 4 feet or 1.2 meters is the deepest I've found in this pool. This pool also features, as you can see, a volleyball net, and sometimes, I just saw them walking out that way, sometimes it has ducks swimming in the pool. I don't know. And someone says, well, what if they poop in the pool? Yeah, like kids aren't peeing in the pool, adults. We got a DJ at this pool as well. They're also Universal Orlando employees, it seems. This also features this interactive area for kids, for adults, or whoever wants to play around in it. Got a plant going up there, and the water is a little bit cold, so just be ready for that. But it is a really cool little area to run around and play in. So this pool also has 0-point entry, kind of, it's very steep, and a DJ, but this DJ is actually interacting with people and playing games, which is pretty cool. 4 feet 6 inches, 1.4 meters is the deepest I can find here. And Hard Rock was the first Universal Orlando hotel to have speakers above, and here we go. Woo! Got one more water slide to go after this, and I'm getting stuck. And that is, here's the dip. Woo! At our next hotel. I brought 2 batteries, both of them are dead. Speaking of dead, since you've watched this far in the video, thank you for doing so. Please like if you haven't. Here is previous me explaining what happened to my GoPro Hero 7. The rest of this video is going to be shot on this phone. And thank you for stopping Bon Jovi. Good choice. I'm shooting the rest of this video with my Hero 5, which I'd rather not do, but I forgot I took this accessory door off last night to plug it in, and I forgot to put it back on, and when I went underwater with the camera, I might have destroyed it. For years there was a waterfall right here, but they stopped doing that because of safety reasons. The lifeguards couldn't see past the waterfall very well, so unfortunately that is permanently shut off. Portofino Bay is the first on-site hotel here at Universal Orlando. This is one of 3 pools. This is the more family-friendly, kid-friendly one with the water slide and music. So the deepest place I can find in this pool is 4 feet or 1.2 meters. This has a really cool hot tub with a waterfall, but there's also this little pool, which is like a little bit of a pool, a little bit of a splash pad, and a little play area back there. Woo!
this is the much quieter pool. As you can hear, no music, no bars. This is more of the adult pool. Luckily, more modern iPhones are very water resistant, because before, a few years ago, I wouldn't be doing this, but I don't know, I thought I brought enough batteries. This pool is sometimes warmer. Right now it's not cold, but it's a good temperature. This pool has a deeper maximum depth than other pools. This is, as you can see, 5 feet or 1.5 meters. And 3 feet seems to be the most shallow. And to appear a little more high-end, this has a bocce ball court. Well, 2 of them. And if that pool wasn't quiet enough for you, there's also this sort of hidden pool, which is, you kind of have to know it's here. And except for that guy going by with a loud exhaust, it's really quiet over here. 5 feet or 1.5 meters is the deepest in this pool. 3 feet or 0.9 meters is the most shallow. And look, there's little areas where bubbles are coming up. The pool hours for this one is 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. So this closes earlier than others.